Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a deeply emotional and heartfelt story that has touched fans of the Kardashian family for years. Kim Kardashian recently opened up about her father, Robert Kardashian Sr., and the last wish he shared before his passing. For those who may not know, Robert Kardashian Sr. was a successful attorney, most famously known for being part of O.J. Simpson's defense team, but to Kim and her siblings, he was simply Dad. His presence left a lasting impact on the entire family, and his memory continues to shape who they are today. Kim revealed that in his final days, her father spoke with honesty and love, offering words that would guide her for the rest of her life. His last wish wasn't about money, fame, or material success. Instead, it was about family, unity, and remaining true to one another. He asked his children to always stay connected, to support each other, and to put family above everything else. According to Kim, these words have become her compass, especially as the family navigates fame, business ventures, and the many challenges that come with living in the public eye. What makes this reflection so moving is how Kim has carried her father's wish into her own life. Despite ups and downs, she has often reminded her siblings of the importance of sticking together. From her efforts to keep family traditions alive to the way she has involved her children in celebrating their grandfather's legacy, it's clear that Robert Kardashian Sr.'s influence still resonates deeply. Kim has also mentioned how she turns to his old letters, voicemails, and even memories of his advice when she faces difficult decisions. She credits him for instilling values of hard work, integrity, and resilience, traits that have defined her journey both personally and professionally. For fans, this insight into Kim's heart reveals a softer, more vulnerable side that we don't always see on screen. Robert Kardashian Sr. may have passed away in 2003, but his presence lives on through his children and grandchildren. His wish for family unity is not only honored by Kim, but is also echoed in the way the Kardashian siblings continue to share their lives together. Even when disagreements or public controversies arise, they have always managed to find their way back to each other, just as he hoped. It's stories like these that remind us that behind all the glitz and glamour, the Kardashians are, at their core, a family shaped by love and legacy. Kim's reflection on her father's last wish is a touching reminder that the most important things in life are not material, but the bonds we build and the values we carry forward. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story and want more heartfelt moments and insights into the Kardashian family, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share this video with others who would appreciate it.